Next, let's move on to language time. Yes. See, ma'am, next I am going to recall the diagrams. In the last class also we have seen diagrams. So this class also I am giving recall. Okay kids? CH. So what diagram we had seen last class? Yes, in the last class we had seen CH diagrams. So CH makes what sound? CH makes what sound, baby? Everybody repeat. Ch, 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 ch. CH makes what sound? Ch, 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 ch. See, come on. Let's see what are the objects starts with CH words. See here. CH diagrams. See here. Ch, ch, cherry. Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, chair. Ch, ch, chin. Ch, ch, watch. Ch, ch, catch. Okay kids, see here. CH makes what sound? Ch. CH makes what sound, baby? Ch. See? Ch, ch, cherry. Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, chair. Ch, ch, chin. Ch, ch, watch. Ch, ch, catch. Okay kids, next. See, ma'am had written 4 words over here. See, what is this word? Chick. What is this word, baby? Chick. So here this word starts with what diagrams? See, CH. So CH. How to pronounce? Chick. 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 So this chick starts with CH. Chick. 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 Next, ch, ch, chart. Chick. You have to join these 2 letters. You don't use separate phonics. K, h. Don't say like that. If you see any word, CH means you have to use the phonics ch. Suppose you are seeing any word from your book means you have to use the diagram. Okay kids? CH means you should use ch. You should try like this. Ch means ch, ch, child. Ch, ch, choose. Ch, ch, children. Ch, 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 chop. Okay kids, can you understand? See here. So what are the CH word? Chick, chart, cheek, children. Okay kids, can you understand? So in the last class itself, we have given one video also. So ma'am, I read out this chart also. Now I have written some words in this board also. So, how you are writing the diagrams in your note means you use your concept note. Okay kids? Ma'am, I told to write the concept note, concept side words. I told to divide it into 2 parts. Did you remember that one? Yes, I told to write in your concept note. In the middle only you start your concept side words, baby. So, you have to start to write the diagrams in the first half. So, in the first half, you should start your diagrams word. Okay, kids? Can you understand? So, you don't write in your A letter words language note. Okay, kids? Already we had given another 4 lines, In the 4 lines, A letter, B letter, C letter, we are writing, That note, you don't follow the diagrams. You use the diagrams in this concept sideword note one we allotted for So in that note, in the first half, you start to write the diagrams. Okay kids? Before that, so whenever you start to write in your note, you have to write the day. Ma'am, I have written, see, what day is today? Everybody say, what day is today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Everybody, so even whether it is a language or maths, first you have to write what day is today. Okay kids, that is you have to write in your margin, out of the margin. See here. Here, so in this corner, you should write what day is today. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. You should know the spelling of all days also. After finishing the number name, let's start that one. So anyway, every day when you start to write the time, you should write the day first. Wednesday. Next, in the corner, you have to write the date also. Okay kids, can you understand? So in the sum notes, they have given the day column also. In that column, you can write the date, or else if you don't have column means you can write the day and date here itself. In the sum note only they have given the column here. You can mention the date. If they not given means you can write the day and date here. Okay kids. Next, in the cha words, how we are writing means, even the diagraphs heading also, kids, you only should write in your note. In the heading, you should write the heading. So in the 4 lines itself, you should write diagraphs. That heading also, your mommy, they will say the spelling. You should write your own. Okay kids, the diagram heading you should write in this 4 lines note. 4 lines. Okay kids. Next, parents, I am telling to you only. So diagrams, you should say you have to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally in the first line they have to write the diagrams heading. Okay kids. Next one, you have to divide it into 2 parts. You divide it into 2 parts. Totally 14 words. 14 words. Children, they have to write their own. You have to spell that word. Yes, write yourself. You have to say the word. Now, for example, I am telling chick. Chick. That means ch. That sound, when you produce the time, they have to write the spelling ch. Okay, ch. You ask, what's the sound of, what's the letter for ch. What diagram will come? You just make them to write first ch only. Next, chick. Spelling you have to say I-C-K. Next, children. You should say the word children. Ch. If you say ch, they start to write ch. The remaining spelling you have to say yourself. I-L-D-R-E-N. Okay, ma'am? Okay, kids. Likewise, children should write 14 words. 14 diagrams words they should write. After finishing writing, they have to underline that ch. They need to underline the ch. Okay kids, can you understand? Next, let's go for phonics game. Come on.
The letters C and H together make the sound ch, ch, ch. C-H chair, ch, ch, chair. C-H cherry, ch, ch, cherry. Ch, ch, ch. C-H cheese, ch, ch, cheese. C-H chew, ch, ch, chew. Ch, ch, ch. C-H chug, ch, ch, chug. C-H choo choo, ch, ch, choo choo. Ch, ch, ch. C-H change, ch, ch, change. C-H chest, ch, ch, chest. Ch, ch, ch. C-H chimp, ch, ch, chimp. C-H chase, ch, ch, chase. Ch, ch, ch. C-H chips, ch, ch, chips. C-H chili, ch, ch, chili. Ch, ch, ch. C-H child, ch, ch, child. C-H chain, ch, ch, chain. Ch, ch, ch. The letters C and H can come at the end of a word. C-H lunch, lunch. Ch, ch. C-H punch, punch. Ch, 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 ch. Great job! Now, see if you can read these words before me or along with me. These words have the letters C-H. Chin. Ch, ch, chin. Chill. Ch, ch, chill. Chart. chart, chess, chess, chance, chance, check, check, chop, chop, charm, charm. Very good. These next words have the letters C and H at the end. Much, much. Teach, teach.